up, YouTube? Got this 2014 Lincoln MKS with a 3.7 liter V6 dual overhead cam. Customers complaining of the check engine light being on and stalling at times and rough running at times as well. And of course, the check engine light being on, if I didn't just say that. And I'm going to show y'all what this is. It's a very notorious common problem on not just Lincolns, all Fords. With the V6s, 4 cylinders, doesn't matter. It's a common issue on Fords for years, and I don't know why they can't get it right, but it is what it is. I'm going to show you how to diagnose it today, the easy way, without getting too in-depth. And I'm going to show you also how to fix it as well. So anyways, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I can continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Let's load this bad boy up, and I'm going to show you what codes you get. We're going to go on the engine, codes. Now you can do this on the generic OBD2 also as well. Let's go to pending codes or memory codes, doesn't matter. Either one. I'm going to show you what you get here. Make sure the key's on here. Oh, my bad. Duh. Thought I had it on, but let's try this again. O2 sensor signal bias stuck rich bank 1 sensor 1. O2 sensor bias stuck rich bank 2 sensor 1. Don't replace your O2 sensors. A lot of people see this O2 sensor code and they just assume it needs an O2 sensor. And if it's stuck rich, there's a reason why it's stuck rich. It's because the purge solenoid is stuck open. I'm going to show you an easy way to test it, and I'm going to show you how to replace it as well. Let's turn the key off. I already got the part. Those who know me, most of the time I diagnose cars before I do videos. That way, I cut your time shorter and not keep you bored with my videos as long. Take you 8mm. This one's pretty easy to pop off. Some of these purge solenoids, let me give you all a little light here. Some of these purge solenoids have all these hoses built to them. They're not as simple to pull. But if you see those codes, like I just showed you, it's the purge solenoid. Always the purge solenoid when you got those stuck rich codes. The only other thing that could really cause that is maybe fuel injector stuck open, but you'd have a lot more symptoms than that. What's up, man?
Made it 10 feet.
No, you're good. What's up?
Oh, they made it 10 feet.
What? Yeah, I thought so.
I tried. They checked my car a few days ago and told me this is what it was. So the boot was bad, and that's why it was making this noise. And still doing it. I only drove it 10 feet.
All right, give me a second.
That's going to be on them.
I'll get it in.
I guarantee you, I didn't look at it. You didn't look at it.
No, I know. I mean, I remember.
I didn't look at it.
Give me about 10 minutes.
No problem.
All right. Of course, customer requests his own parts. I didn't look at it. And now he's complaining that he still hears noise. That's what happens when you don't pay for a vehicle inspection. Anyways, pull this bad boy out. Push this tab in like that. Pop it out. See how I can blow through it? It's stuck open. New parts right here. Can't blow through that one. I don't know if you can hear that air coming through. Not on that one. See a little other self lubricant on there. Go ahead and pop that hose on. Push that bad boy down in there. Run these down as far as I can with my fingers here. Yeah, I got this Dodge Avenger customer requested his own axle on because of noise. And when I was pulling the axle, I saw a little grease leaking from it, nothing crazy, but I mean, I assumed he might have had it looked at somewhere else. And when I got back from my test drive, I let my service manager know that it's making noise on the right front. And I said, I hope that's not why he wanted to do an axle. And sure enough, that's why. And then he goes out of the parking lot and comes right back and said it's still making the same noise. And I'm like, really, dude? Like, you didn't even pay for a vehicle inspection. You pretty much requested this. Gotta love the business we're in, y'all. And it was already sold from a couple days ago from another service manager up front. So I was just told to put an axle in it. I did what I was told. Now it's on me. The mechanic's life. Alright, we fixed it and diagnosed it at the same time. That's what we do. Let's go in there and clear these codes out in this video. Turn our key back on here. Gotta press the button twice. Back. Clear codes. Continue. Continue. Code's cleared. Now let's fire this bad boy up. Confirm that. Alright, that light is off, and I know it's fixed, y'all. So until that new one goes back, because it will eventually. And 97,000 miles, so it got almost 100,000 miles on that one. I've seen them die a lot quicker than that, but I'm in this video now because I got to deal with other problems. It is what it is. That's what we do. So if y'all like this video, check like. As always, please subscribe. Y'all have a good day. Peace.